Fifth standard students, now see page number 90, dice game. Throw two dice together. What are the numbers that turn up on the faces of the dice? Make a two-digit number using them. If it is a multiple of any of the numbers, return text to the circles. You can write it in that circle. Then it's your friend's turn. The one who can write more numbers in 10 rounds is the winner. Now see here, two friends are here. Suppose that one is me and one is another my friend. We both are playing with the help of two dice. So what we are doing, we have drawn this circle already, 4, 5, 6, 7. And what we are doing, we are throwing two dice. Suppose that on one dice number comes 2 and another dice the number is coming 5. So 2, 5, 25. 25 is the multiple of 5 because 5 5 is 25. So we will write in this circle. Suppose that and that boy, that means my friend is throwing. So in both the dice, he is getting on one dice 3 and another dice 6. So 36. Now 36 is divisible by 6 also and by 4 also. Okay, in this way, suppose that on I am throwing and I am getting 2 and 1. So 2 and 1, 21. So 7 3 is 21. So I have 3 and 2 on my dice. If I make 23, it's not the multiple of any of the numbers, so I can change the digit. So I will make 32, which is a multiple of 4, and write it in the red circle. You can change the digit also. Suppose that 2 4 24 we are getting and 4 2 42. So 24 is divisible by 4 also and by 6. So in both the common this circle, here also I will write and here also I will write. Clear? Now suppose that any number that is not divisible by all the 4 numbers, so we can change the digit also. Like 23. 23 is only divisible by 23. So we can change the digit 32. In 32 you can see 32 is divisible by 4. So in that circle we will write. In 10 rounds you have to play. So you can choose your family members or near your neighbors or your friend. If your parents are allowing to come at your home, so you can play. And one who is getting more, that will. Who is that girl or that boy or any person, he or she will be the winner. Okay. Think of a number. If it is a multiple of 3, write it in the red color. If it is a multiple of 5, write in the blue circle. Now see the meaning of common multiple. The meaning of the common multiple is the number comes in between both the table of these numbers. See, 1 you can see orange circle, 1 is another blue circle, and this part you can see eye shape is, this part is in both the circles, in this also and this also. Okay, now see here, think a number. Suppose that I am thinking a number is 9. So 9 only comes in the table of 3, so 9. 10 comes only 5. Then next number 12 comes only in the table of 3. Next number 15. Now think about 15. 3 5s are 15, 5 3s are 15. That means 15 comes in both the tables of 3 and 5. So 15 we will write here because it is a common multiple. Okay. Now see here, some numbers are multiple of both 3 and 5. So we can say that they are common to both 3 and 5. Where do I write 15? So 15 you will write in the common part. It is a multiple of both 3 and 5. So 15 we will write here. Another number, if I am telling 18, so 18 will be, then 21 will be 24 also will be 27. Now 30. 30 is divisible by 3 also, and it is divisible by 5 also. That means 30 is the multiple of both the numbers. So 30 we will write here. Okay. Now see here. Think, if you write the multiples common to 3 and 5 in the purple part, you can see in the purple part, then will they still be in both the red and blue circles? Yeah, damn sure they will be in the both the circle. You can see the purple part is common part. This part is in the orange circle and also in the blue circle. Okay. Now see, which is the smallest among these common multiples? So all the multiples we are writing here. So smallest common multiples 15, because 15 comes first. 15 is divisible by 3 also and 5 also, and it is the smallest. It is the first multiple of both the numbers. So 15 is the smallest. Repeat the game using the numbers 2 and 7. So you will repeat this now game for the number 2 and 7. Okay. Very easy. You can do yourself. So children, in this way you will get multiple of 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15. 15 is divisible by both, so 15. 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24, 3 nines are 27, 3 tens are 30. Because 30 is the common multiple of both. Same way, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 sixes are 30. 30 is the multiple of both. 5 sevens are 35, 5 eights are 40, 5 nines are 45. 45 is divisible by 3 also and y. So 45 you can see in the purple shape. 5 tens are 50. So in this way you will get. Okay.